welcome back to my channel, and I hope everything is going great with you all. This is the look I'm gonna show you how I created. This is for the third day of Navratri and the color specified is red. So here I have done a very simple eye look with just a red liner and glitter with it in my tear duct area. I have chosen the silver glitter just because there are silver studs in my outfit. That's why you can alter the color as you want, and if you want dramatic red smoky glittery eye look, then I will be giving the link, as I have already done a video on hot red smoky look. So yeah, you can find the link here or here somewhere in the screen, so I will be giving it. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Let's begin with the eye makeup first, and for that I am going to apply the concealer from Maybelline all over my eyelid. And the concealer is the eye eraser concealer and it's in the shade Fair. And now I am blending it with my Wet Beauty blender, and as you can see I have already applied this sellotape here so as to get the sharp edge and the sharp winged eyeliner. To set my concealer I am using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Mocha, that too with my Wet Beauty blender. Today I am not going to use any eyeshadow palette. Instead of that I will be using my bronzer from Makeup Revolution London in the shade Bronzer Kiss, and I'm gonna apply this right in my crease area. As you can notice, I am applying the shadow in the wiper motion, and to darken up my outer weak corner of the eye, I am using the eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, that is black in color, just a little bit. And again with the help of fluffy brush, I am going to blend the two colors properly so that there won't be any harsh lines. Now I'm going to apply the Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold all over my eyelid with the help of my finger. Again with the help of fluffy brush, I will be blending all the three colors so that it looks seamless. For the liner, I am using the black gel liner from L'Oreal. I will be applying a nice dramatic winged eyeliner. The theme is red. I'm gonna apply red eyeliner, but I don't have any red eyeliner specifically, so I will be using my red lipstick from Chambord, and just take it at the back of my hand so it will be easy for me to apply. So I have taken it back of my hand, and I'm going to apply the liner with this angled brush just above the black eyeliner we have applied. Be careful while applying the eyeliner. Keep cleaning your brush in between, because the black gel liner also get transformed to your brush while applying this red one. So be careful for that. Be patient and apply the liner in small stroke. Let it get dry for some time and then apply the second coat over it. And now let's move to the base makeup, and I have already applied my sunscreen lotion and moisturizer, so I am directly heading toward the primer. And the primer I'm using is Insight 3-in-1 primer. It says it moisturizes, primes and protects, and it's also oil free. So I have applied my primer, and let's move to the foundation. And for that I'm using my Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 125, and I'm taking it directly on my beauty blender, and it is about to finish. It's my favorite drugstore foundation as it gives medium to high coverage, buildable, it blends properly into the skin. Also it's waterproof, wet proof and matte so I really liked it. As I have oily skin, so it's great for oily skin people, and also it's affordable. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline's Eye Eraser Concealer and applying it in my usual places like under my eye area, my chin, cupid's bow, nose, and little bit in my forehead. As you know, before blending my concealer, I like to do my contouring, so that's why I'm using here the contour stick from Focallure, and it's in the shade Coffee, and I have applied it in my usual places like below my cheekbones, my jawline, and sides of my nose. And let's quickly blend the contour. Now it's time to blend the concealer, and I'm blending it with my Wet Beauty blender. To set the concealer, I'm using here the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Mohair and applying it with my Wet Beauty blender. I usually use my Wet Beauty blender for almost everything. For most of the things I use my Wet Beauty blender. I just love it. Now I will be bronzing my face with the bronzer from Makeup Revolution London. It's in the shade Bronzer Kiss. And for the blush, I will be using my eyeshadow palette from Maybelline, that is the Lemonade Craze palette. And as the blush, I'm gonna use the Ice Pop color, which I really liked. So yeah, I will be applying it with my blush brush. Let's move to the eyes, and to tightline my upper as well as lower waterline, I'm using here the kajal from again Maybelline. And I'm using here the black eyeshadow from Wet n Wild just to smoke out my lower lash line, and for that I'm using the smudge brush. And to blend my black eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the bronzer with the same brush so that it doesn't look harsh. Let's quickly fill in the eyebrows with the brow pomade from L'Oreal, and it's in the shade Brunette. Done with the eyebrows as well, and now the most interesting part is highlighting. But before that, to highlight my tear duct area of my eyes, I'm gonna highlight it using the glitter, and for that I'm using here the NYX glitter glue and apply it right at the tear duct area. And I'm gonna use the silver glitter from Faces Canada. As no makeup can get completed without glitters, especially for the Navratri, and I like glitters a lot. I just feel that I should have some more the little glitters. So yeah, that's why. And to highlight my face, to highlight the higher points of my face, I'm using the highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Molten Rose Gold, and I'm applying it just above my cheekbones, under my brow bone, cupid's bow, little bit in my chin, tip of my nose, and bridge of my nose, and that is it. And for the lips, the red lipstick. But before that, I will be applying the lip liner, red lip liner all over my lips so that the lipstick stays all night long. Here I am using the mascara from Maybelline, the Hypercurl mascara, just a single coat, as I will be applying my falsies. And the falsies I am using is this pack 60, and I will be back after applying the falsies. And now I am back after applying my falsies. So yeah, here is the final look. As you can see, the look is very much simple and easy to create, and again it won't take much time to create. Just a lipstick, or if you have the liner, you can use that. As you know, without glitter I cannot complete my makeup, especially for the festive season. So yeah, that's why I've applied the glitter in my tear duct area, and I just feel like keeping my hair open. You can tie it as well or do a bun. This time I thought to do a little simple makeup because my outfit is quite heavy, so I prefer to do light makeup when I wear heavy outfits. So that's why. If you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and the links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And yeah, see you till next time. Bye.